This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Elizabeth Reese. Welcome to this beautiful second floor end unit, rarely available, turnkey carriage home. Open floor plan with updated eat-in kitchen, master bedroom separate from the other two bedrooms and a true office or dining room. Plantation shutters and impact window, according shutters on patio. Move in and make it your own. Each room feels spacious with the cathedral ceilings and screened-in patio for additional enjoyment. Located west of 41, so close to beautiful white sandy beaches, shopping, restaurants, downtown Naples with easy access to airport and all conveniences one would need to enjoy Southwest Florida. For more information, review the details below or contact Elizabeth Reese at 561-981-9400.